So the part number for this is HG9Z7 Paul 155 Delta, and this is the gear selector assembly that goes in your Fusions in the center console area. So here I showed you got to pull these little side leather pieces off, just pop them right off to the side. They're just little easy clips, and then once you get them off on the side, there's right where I'm touching here, there's a 7mm bolt, and then just like a little screw, not bolt. And then on the other side, there's a 7mm screw as well. And then that whole center plastic area, it literally just pops right up. And then you just have to take the connectors off of like your parking brake switch and stuff underneath. So just pull up, kind of work your way around. If you don't have a plastic trim tool, just be real careful like I am here and just pop it up. And then once it comes up, underneath you'll have to unhook your parking brake selector switch. There's a little tab in the side that you push, and then as you grab that, you can work your way around. It's just that dress-up bezel around the center stack in the console. Pop it off all the way around just real lightly. Again, if you have a plastic trim tool, use that. I've done this so many times that I know exactly how to grab the thing. And then there is a 7mm bolt up in each corner, and then there's a 7mm bolt on each side right behind the plastic, and then the back of it just pops straight up, and then you got to undo your connectors underneath. And you don't have to. You could sit there and mess with, struggle with getting all that stuff underneath. You can do it right there, but there's no need for it. Just pull it off. There's 4 T20s that hold this assembly on, and there's one in each corner of where it mounts. And then it just pops right out of the bottom, literally, and then you just screw everything right back in. It's super, super easy. There's the old one. There's the 4 T20s I pulled out. There's the empty hole, the new one going in. And then basically, that's it. It's all installed, and just reverse the process. Problem fixed. No more vibrating coming from the center stack control. So basically, that's how you pull the center console and take that shift knob assembly and stuff out. I've seen some guys say on the internet that they're getting this vibrating sound coming from the motor inside this. Well, it's a self-contained unit. Once it starts malfunctioning, there's no way of actually going in here and fixing everything. It's a replaced part. So this is how you take all this apart and replace this selector assembly unit. It's pretty simple. It's not that hard at all. Figured I'd show you guys because some of you were asking for more videos on the Fusions. Here's one. The next one I'm going to load is the accessory protocol interface module. The radio is locking up on it, and the accessory protocol interface module is bad. It's attached to the back of the screen, and that's kind of what controls what goes through that unit. Has a lot to do with Bluetooth and stuff like that. It is the interface between what selections are made from that front face, the switch controls. There's a lot of things that all go through that computer, and when that computer starts to act up and go bad, there's 99.9% of the time there's no saving it. Black screens, slow to touch response between selections and stuff. It needs to be programmed. If you guys are interested in that video, I'll do it as well. Just let me know. Thanks. Enjoy the video. I hope you enjoyed the video, I should say.